True Detective here. Cooking time. This is salad. It's just the same way in Finland.
Okay, so we are going fucking deep. Running.
Food is not that expensive in Finland.
Yeah, this is like Red Hat in terms of the installer.
Mixing up the shit on the frying pan. I also ate some soup from the can.
Over here it's the same experience as with Red Hat. You can choose the server with the GUI or you can choose the workstation. So if you install this CentOS,
I mean big ass eggs. Big ass eggs.
Eating this fucker of a bitch. I spent the night listening to Tony Robbins. I found another audio program from the dude. In one video I was talking about that Manjaro Linux. Next I'm gonna try in virtual machine CentOS. I have never used CentOS. Okay, so Red Hat is going right now in the version 10, so CentOS is also on the version 10. Even the beginning guidance over here is the same as in Red Hat.
A left-handed man.
So this shit, it cost me 15 euros and
save some coins in the piggy bank.